Hello students, today we are learning in this video that the first chapter naming numbers and number system. This first chapter is all about that for Javahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance examination for class 6. The name of the chapter is the number and number system. Before starting the practice sets of this chapter, we need to learn basic points of the chapter, and that basic points are the place value of the number, how the place value increases and how the place value decreases. Another point is that basic point is that what is called even number, what is called odd number, and also in this chapter we need to learn about the prime numbers. In this chapter we need to learn about the composite numbers, twin prime numbers, co-prime numbers. These are the basic points. Another topic is there in the lesson that we have less digit and need to form more digit number. So these all points we need to clarify and we need to keep in mind. We need to be perfect for these all points. If we becomes if we become perfect in these points, so we can easily solve out the problems of any practices. So that we will start. What are that basic points? So name of the chapter is numbers and number system. This is the first chapter which is in mathematics for Javahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance examination for 6th standard. Numbers and number system. So this chapter is formed by many basic points. That basic points, once again I am going to repeat. Place value of the number, how we consider the place value, what is even number, what is odd number, what is prime number, what is composite number, what is twin prime number, what is co-prime number. How can we form more digit number by getting less digits? That's total topic we need to learn before starting the practice sets. So first of all, it's place value of the number. Place value of number. Place value of number. The place value of a number, we can start it from right hand to left hand side. I can explain you the place value of the number from right hand to left hand and left hand to right hand. Any number's place value considers according to their place. A number which is on unit place, a number which is on tens place, a number which is on hundred place, a number which is on thousand place, a number which is on 10,000 place, a number which is on lakh place, a number which is on 10 lakh place, a number which is on crore place, and a number which is on 10 crore place. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. When we have any number, so we consider the place value of a number. When we consider the place value of the number from right hand side to left hand side, it increases. What happens? It increases. When we consider the any numbers place value from left hand to right hand, so like this, when we consider the number that decreases, means how many times it decreases? It decreases 10 times. Double I am telling you, in a numbers and number system of first chapter, the place value of the number we want to learn, and the place value of any number is considered at its particular digits place, and from right hand to left hand it is increases, and from left hand to right hand it is decreases. Means how many times decreases? It decreases 10 times. Here we have cleared about the place value. Now another basic point is given, even numbers. Another basic point is given, even numbers. These all basic points we have learned in our previous classes. From third class, fourth class, we have learned about what is even, what is odd. These two topics we have learned. With these 2 points we have learned. But here particularly for revising, for revision, we are going to clarify even numbers. So there is importance of even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers on unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 on unit place, it is called as an even number. For example, we have 324, 633, 595 and 13956, means 13,956. We are classifying even. We are identifying even number from given example. So given here it is information, means study topic given to learn the point given about the even number, that if 0 is on unit place, that will even number. If 2 will on a unit place, that will even number. If 4 is on unit place, that will even number. If 6 will on unit place, that will even number. And if 8 will be on unit place, that will even number. A number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any of these on unit place is called as even numbers. So here 4 is on unit place. 4 is on unit place, that's why it is even number. So here it is 6 is on unit place, that's why here it is what? Even number. So I think you understood about that. What are the even numbers? Once again I am telling you, even numbers are that number which has 0 to 4, 6, 8 on its unit place is called as what? Even number. So that it is another point, basic point which is given in this chapter. So we have cleared it. Now there is another point, odd number. What? Odd number. Odd numbers. We have taken basic knowledge about odd numbers in our third standard, but here we are once again revision taking. What we are doing here? We are taking into revision odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? Odd numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 on its unit place. Where it need? On unit place. If there is 1 on unit place or 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 on its unit place, so that we consider as an odd number. Example 1111, it is 1111. 3895, it is 3895. And this is 2004 and this is 2232. So these four numbers I have taken for an example. I considered it. So it is called as 1111, it is 3895, it is 2004 and it is 2232. So what we need to see, to identify it is odd or even, so we need to see its units place. There is 1 is on unit place, that's why it is total odd number. 5 is on unit place, that's why it is a total odd number. So here 4 is on unit place, that is not an odd number, that is what? Even number. So here lastly, here also 2 is on a unit place, so that there the total number is called as even number. So that we have only here 2 odd numbers. So in these examples, so once again what I can tell you what are odd numbers. Odd numbers are having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 on its unit place, called as odd number. Here we have cleared how can we observe the place value and how the place value increases, how the place value decreases, and what is even number and what is odd number. Now another topic there is prime numbers. So newly here in this year for 5th class we started to learn about the prime numbers. Prime numbers means if we are going to study about any numbers and number system, these basic points are most important to know. Prime numbers now. Prime numbers. How can we define the prime numbers? We can define the prime numbers according to our own choice. Otherwise, we can define the prime number which is mentioned here in our textbooks, etc. I can define the prime number, the number which has only 2 factors. What? The numbers which has only 2 factors are called a prime number. So, what are the two factors? 1 or itself. What? 1 or itself. Prime numbers. So when we define the prime number, the numbers which only has 2 factors are called prime numbers. If we consider 1 to 100, how many prime numbers? There are 25 prime numbers. How many prime numbers? 25 prime numbers. 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. In detail we need. First of all, we have a point here, prime numbers. What we have? We have a point, prime numbers. And what is called a prime number? The numbers which only has two factors are called prime numbers. Then, and two factors means what are the two factors? 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Once again I am repeating the definition of prime number. Prime numbers, the numbers which only has two factors and called the prime numbers. What? 1 and itself. From 1 to 100, 20 prime numbers are there. How many numbers are there? 25 prime numbers. Let's see what are the 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Like first class, second class, we do not need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that 1 to 100. So 1 to 100. Let's see what are the prime numbers 1 to 100. I told you that 25 prime numbers. How many prime numbers? 25 prime numbers. From 1 to 10, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. These are. And from 11 to 20, prime numbers 11, 13, 17 and 19. From 21 to 30, the prime numbers are 23, 29. From 31 to 40, 31 is a prime number, 37 is the prime number. So these are prime numbers, 31 to 40. Now 41 to 50, prime numbers are 41, 43 and 47. From 51 to 60, so prime numbers are 53 and 59. And from 61 to 70, 61, 67 and 71 to 80. Prime numbers are 71, 73, 79, 81 to 90, 83, 89 and 91 to 100. There is only one, 97. Let's count out. These are 25 prime numbers are not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. These are all prime numbers from 1 to 100. So in the first chapter about the prime number, this much only the information given us. Here we have cleared about the prime number. Now let's see the composite numbers. Composite numbers. What are called a composite number? The number which has more than two factors are called as a composite number. More than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, many more can be the factors of the composite number. The number which has more than two factors are called composite numbers. 1 to 100. What? 1 to 100. there are 74 composite numbers. Here another basic point it is composite numbers. The number which has more than two factors are called composite numbers. When we consider composite number from 1 to 100, there we get total 74 composite number. How many composite number? 74 composite numbers. Clear? Okay. Then another basic point about the number and number system. One remain. One is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. So, when we consider the numbers from 1 to 100, totally we got 74 composite numbers, 25 prime numbers, and one neither prime nor composite. Total how many happen? 100. When we consider from 1 to 100, there are total 74 composite number, 25 prime number, and one is neither prime and nor composite. One is neither prime and nor composite. Clear? The next point it is, the next basic point it is an example. That an example, how can we decide it is prime and it is composite? For example, 37. We need to factor out 37. 1 into 37. These only two factors. Only two factors. I have taken an example. The number is 37. Is it prime or composite? So I factorized it. It factorized only 1 into 37. So it is called as a two factors. So it is called as prime number. It is called as prime number. Why it is called as prime number? Because two factors. And we saw the factors 1 and 37 of the number 37. So 37 is a prime number. Why? Because only two factors, 1 and itself. Clear? Now let's see an example how we consider the composite number. Here an example 15. We are taking a knowledge of composite numbers. 15 is divided by 1, 15 is divided by 1, 15 is divided by 3, 15 is divided by 5, and 15 is divided by 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many factors? 4 factors. So it is called as what? Composite number. It is called as composite number. So clearly, what is prime? What is composite? We have taken a definition also. We have considered about that prime and neither prime nor composite. We taken into consideration that even number, odd number also.